Here I have DOOGEE S96 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to reset network settings on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then you have to go to the system section, then reset options, and here you have to select the first option, reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth, and then confirm it by tapping reset settings, and then tap reset settings one more time, and after that all of the system settings will be reset. All of the network settings will be reset. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.